Hi, my name is Michelle Marins, and I'm the CEO of WeSparkle.
And my name is Nick Weber, and I am the CTO of WeSparkle.
And WeSparkle is a public benefit corporation that helps entrepreneurs save time and increase their sales via our suite of AI-powered software tools. So as entrepreneurs, Nick and I spend a lot of time on our calendars. We live by our calendars. And we're always going back and forth with people over email to find a good time to meet. First, we have to figure out the right day, then we have to figure out the right time, and then I need to create a calendar invite, and then I need to copy and paste the right Zoom link into it, which I don't always do.
And as my family, who is probably all logged in tonight, can attest, I have that same issue.
And we're not alone. Last year, I worked part-time as a salon coordinator at a really great multicultural hair salon here in town called the Beauty Lounge Minneapolis. And the owner, Melissa, hired me because she was spending about 40% of her time just on tedious tasks like scheduling appointments and answering the same questions over and over again. The Beauty Lounge even had an online booking system, but we still had clients text messaging their stylists at 10 p.m. at night or sometimes 3 in the morning. So that's why WeSparkle created our first tool, which is a conversational AI assistant or a smart chatbot that text messages with a business's customers to handle those repetitive tasks. So we're going to demo our Sparkle Assistant for you now. And since many of you are watching this demo from the Minnesota State Fairgrounds, we decided to team up with a couple of our favorite local businesses here called Spinning Wild and Janita's Jar. And we're going to bring you some State Fair treats. So this demo is what I like to call WeSparkle on a stick. First of all, I'll use my phone and show you the WeSparkle directory. So I'm just gonna share my screen now. And this is the WeSparkle directory, where you can view and download this at app.wesparkle.org. So you can find a lot of different businesses here, and you can sort and filter. You might want to support, more women-led businesses, veteran-led, minority-led. And today we're going to go into Spinning Wild's business listing in order to access their Sparkle Assistant. So when you get to the business listing, you see a lot of their information. I'm going to tap on the SMS icon next to their phone number, and that's what's going to start up the Sparkle Assistant. It basically auto-populates the message hi, and then just enter that, and that's what starts up the Sparkle Assistant.
The Sparkle Assistant uses Twilio for the SMS portion of the technology.
Yep. And so the options here for things that I can order from Spinning Wild. We wanted to bring you some State Fair specials. So you can get lemonade that's freshly squeezed by Spinning Wild. You can also get their signature cotton candy flavors for the State Fair. Or you can buy a combo, which is both the lemonade and the cotton candy, or their State Fair specials. So that's the lemonade, cotton candy, as well as the 3-pack of Janita's Jars cookies. So I am going to buy the State Fair special.
A wise choice, if I might say.
I want everything. And then it's asking me when is a good date for me to pick up my special. Saturday or Sunday. I think I'm going to choose Saturday. I want my State Fair food soon. And then it's giving me a few different times to choose from. I'm just going to pick up at 12:30.
At this point, the Sparkle Assistant is going to cue Michelle for a series of contact information questions. While she's doing that, I'll go ahead and give a little bit more background on the technology stack. As I had mentioned earlier, the SMS is handled through Twilio. The back end of the application and all the primary functionality is handled through a series of Azure serverless functions hosted obviously in Microsoft Azure. And we also have the capability to be able to embed the code, the functional code in other front-end clients. For instance, you could embed it in your Facebook business page, or you could embed it also on an already hosted web page, including WordPress or any of the more common CMSs that are out there.
So it's asking me if there are any notes to add to my booking, and there's actually a secret menu at Spinning Wild. You can add sprinkles to all your cotton candy, so I just requested that. And it's just going to take a little bit of time to complete my booking. You know, your Sparkle Assistant can be customized for whatever you need. Oh, and it looks like my booking's done. So I'm going to pick up my State Fair special on Saturday at 12:30 p.m. from Spinning Wild's Hot Pink House on the main patio of Keck Gates. You can see the address. They got my sprinkles order in. I can add this to my Google Calendar, and it's important to note that masks are required and that I should pay online before I pick up at the link that's provided. So let's say I am traveling and I forget where Spinning Wild is located. I can actually just go in here and ask the assistant because that's one of the default questions that is set up for Spinning Wild. And it lets me know, oh, that's the address. It's on West 7th. So perfect. I'm good to go. So just to let you know, you can do this along with me. You can order the State Fair special as well. And we're going to close the orders at noon on Friday. So get your orders in either tonight or tomorrow morning, and then you can pick up on Saturday or Sunday. So this concludes the We Sparkle on a Stick demo. We'll be doing this special again through noon tomorrow. And we want to let you know that the Sparkle Assistant can be white labeled. It can be customized for your own use. So if you want to contact us, just text hi to 651-349-4918 or use the chat at wesparkle.ai. And always please follow us on Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter at WeSparkle.org. And if you want to invest in WeSparkle, you can feel free to schedule a call with me by using the chat at WeSparkle.ai or texting hi to our number. So we thank you so much for joining our demo.
Yes, thank you very much.
And we ask you to sparkle on.